In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed custom code in GoHighLevel. We'll move from your dashboard to adding, editing, and saving a code block so your custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript displays exactly where you want it. This is perfect for things like chat widgets, booking snippets, or analytics pixels, and I'll share a few tips along the way to help you avoid common pitfalls. Begin on your GoHighLevel dashboard. From the left-hand navigation, click Sites. This is where all of your websites and funnels live. Choose the specific site, funnel, or page group that you want to modify. Once you've found the exact page or funnel step, open it and click Edit to launch the page builder. Give the builder a moment to load fully so all elements and settings are available. Inside the builder, look for the plus icon used to add elements. Clicking it opens the element panel. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type code. You should now see the code or custom code element. Using the search keeps things fast and helps you avoid scrolling through a long list of elements, especially on complex pages. Drag the code block from the panel and drop it precisely where you want the custom content to appear. Consider placing it inside a full width row or a clean single column section for predictable spacing and responsiveness. After you position it, click the code block on the canvas to open its settings. Then select Open Code Editor to switch into a focused editing view where you can safely paste and review your snippet. While the code block is selected, you can fine-tune spacing and visibility in the Settings panel, adjust padding and margins for cleaner alignment, and toggle device visibility if the embed should only appear on desktop or mobile. These small layout tweaks can make a big difference in how your custom content looks. Paste your code into the editor. GoHighLevel supports standard HTML and inline CSS, and it can run JavaScript, including many embed snippets such as chat widgets, booking scripts, and analytics tags. Use only code you trust, and double check for typos or missing closing tags. If your script references external files, make sure they load over HTTPS and that you aren't installing the same script twice on the same page. When your snippet looks good, click Save in the code editor. Give the preview a moment to refresh, then confirm that the element displays or the script initializes as expected. If nothing visual appears, that can be normal for background scripts like tracking pixels. Finally, save your page changes in the builder to publish the update. A couple of quick tips. Some tools only activate on the live domain, not in preview, so test the public URL. Clear caching if needed, and ensure proper consent for scripts that set cookies. That's it. Your custom code is now embedded in GoHighLevel.